Hello, A and B are two similar solids, which means that everything's in proportion. So A has a volume of 1836 centimetre cubed, and B has a volume of 4,352 centimetres cubed. Now B has a surface area of 1120 centimetres squared. What is the total surface area of A? So what I do for this is I do this. This is A and this is B. And there is a linear relationship, which is like height or something. So you can say linear height. And this is going to be times x to get from there to there. And then there is a surface area relationship. And that's going to be times x squared. And then your volume relationship. And that's going to be times x, you've got it cubed. So we know that 1836 is the volume of A, and B has the volume of 4352. Now, you are going to have to use your calculator for this. So what I would do is I'd go 4352 divided by 1836. And what I'm going to hope is that the number that you get, something about it, is cubic. And this happens to be, so it's times 64 over 27. So you notice those numbers, 64 is the cubic, is x times x times x when x equals 4. So from a linear perspective, you times that by 4 over, and 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, it's 3 cubed. There. So in order to get a surface area, you're going to times by 16 over 9. Okay, now B has a surface area of 1120. So in this case, rather than times by 16 over 9, we're going to divide by 16 over 9 to get down to the surface area of A. And that's 1120 divided by, use the fraction button on your calculator, 16 over 9 equals 636, and that is how you do that. So literally look at it and fill it in using that piece of it, those pieces of information, so you can see how they work, and that way you'll get to a right answer.